Good morning, children. Please open beta your English 1 books. Lesson number 8, the adjective. Just read the sentences which are given in your book. First is your Shobit is an intelligent student. Archana is a pretty girl. Amit is solving a difficult sum. Ashoka was a great emperor. He is an obedient boy. The words which are pink in color, again they are describing words. Actually, they are again adding something to the meaning of a noun. Okay. Again, they are telling the quality of a noun. The words which tells the quality of a noun or add something to the meaning of a noun, that are called a adjective. Just read the definition which is given here. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Okay, beta, this I told you that adjective are those which add meaning, which add something to the meaning of a noun. Now it's time to start with the kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality. From the word quality, it is very clear that this adjective actually tells the quality of a noun. Let's study about it. Let's start with it. Arvind is an expert driver. This is an excellent book. My father has an old car. The rose is beautiful flower. She is very popular actress. If you find expert, excellent, old car, old, beautiful, popular, what these they are describing the qualities of a person or a thing. Like here, it is describing the quality of a person. That Arvind is an expert. Okay, what kind of a driver? An expert driver. Quality of Arvind is that he is an expert driver. Okay, here again we are describing the quality of a thing, means quality of a book. Excellent book, an excellent book. So now it's time to read the definition. What is given? Adjective which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjective of quality. What they told, what kind a person or thing is. Like what kind of a car it is? It is an old car. Okay, my father has an old car. What kind of flower it is? Beautiful flower. What kind of actress? Popular actress. Get it, all of you? Now, quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Again, from quantity you come to know it is going to describe about the quantity only, that how much thing is there. There is some tea in the flask. There is much water in the bucket. There is enough food for the guest. They did not have any money. They have lost all their wealth. The words some, much, enough, any, all, what they are describing about the quantity of a tea. Much water, about water, means they are telling that how much tea is there in the flask, how much water is there in the bucket. Okay, so adjective which tell us how much of a thing is meant are called adjectives of quantity. Okay, children. Adjectives of number means how many are there. Few students are present in the classroom. There are 20 trees in the garden. Many people came to see the fair. There are no books in this bookshelf. Some boys were playing cricket. The words which are pink in color, few, 20, many, no, some, they are telling again, they are actually adjectives of number, because they are telling that how many students, few students. 20 trees, how many trees? 20 trees, again numbers. We are talking that how many numbers were there of trees. Okay, so there were 20. Many people, again countless were there, so many people were there. Okay, number we are talking here again. Same way, no books, again here we are talking about the number. Here also we are talking about the number. So these words are adjectives of number. When we are talking about how many person or things are indicated, that are called adjectives of number. An adjective that tell us how many persons or things are indicated is called adjective of number. And next is our demonstrative adjectives. Just read these sentences. This book is mine. These books are yours. That car is small. Those grapes are sour. In these sentences, if you find this, these, that, those are demonstrative adjective. Why? Because they are pointing out the persons or thing. Here it is pointing this book. It is pointing about the particular book. Okay, thing. These books again pointing particular books. That car pointing about the particular car. Those grapes pointing out the particular grapes. So the adjectives that point out a particular person or a thing are called demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives that point out particular persons or things are called demonstrative adjective. Remember beta, this, these are used for the things which are near to you. Okay, near to a speaker. That, those are used with that and those are used for the things which are farther away from the speaker. Okay, one important thing which you have to remember is that about demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Beta, this, these, that, those are acting as a demonstrative pronoun also. This, that, these, those are acting as a adjective also. How they are acting as a pronoun or adjective? When these words, means these words, this, that, these, those, come in place of a noun. Come in place of a noun, that is called a pronoun. That then they are called demonstrative pronouns. Here, these are my books. Books are your noun. Again, this word these is used for the books only. This word is used for books. Correct? No? So, the word which is used for a noun, that is called a pronoun. So, here, these is a demonstrative pronoun. Okay, beta? Same way, that is your car. In place of car, we use the word that. To indicate this car, we have used the word that. The word which is again used in place of a noun, that is pronoun. So, for car, we have used that. Okay. So, here it is demonstrative pronoun. Those are domestic animals. For animals, we have used the word those. So, here this word those is used for animals. So, this is the reason it is called as a demonstrative pronoun. And how it is a demonstrative adjective? As I told you earlier also, it describes about the noun. Okay, it describes about the noun. So, when they are used before the noun, this is your noun. Correct? No, this is your noun. It is used before noun. So, this is your demonstrative adjective. Come to know beta, here also if you find this car is your noun and it is used before noun, that, it means this is also your demonstrative adjective. Here also animals, noun, before noun we have used those to indicate particular animals. Okay, so this is your adjective. Now it's time to do the exercises. Let's start with our exercises beta. Exercise A, fill in the blanks with correct adjective of quality. Select the words from the help list. Beta, this help list is given to you. This box is given to you. You're supposed to choose the words from here only. These are the adjectives of quality. Correct adjective of quality you are supposed to write in a correct sentence filler. Langur has a dash tail, long tail. What kind of tail? Long tail. There is a deep well in our village. What kind of a village? What kind of well? Deep well. Always eat fresh fruit. What kind of fruits? Fresh fruits. The lion is wild animal. What kind of a animal lion is? Wild. English is my favorite subject. Favorite. Okay. So beta, B exercise is your homework. Do by your own and have a good day.